I remember the color before. I go once. Hold on. Go to the shop and buy 2 pound of rice, 1 orange tongue,
Yes.
1 all-purpose season,
Yes.
and 1 onion.
Yes.
Take 1 bag of jar. So remember, 2 pound of rice, 1 all-purpose season. As if I get 1 tomato, sorry, 1 tomato here. Right, hurry up. Please do not buy no sweetie out of my money. I don't buy not with me change. Go buy this up and come back. Let me do behind you. I'll be preparing ackee with chicken. So this is chicken breast peeps. It was clean, washed, and cut up small and seasoned. And the ackee, it's already boiled. As you can see, it's tender. It's already been boiled. So yeah, my neighbor gave me some ackee, so I decided to use it up this morning. So the oil is already hella hot. So let's go ahead now and throw in the chicken. We have to fry them really brown. Yeah. Brittany, come pass the juice jug for me. So I'm using 1 hand, peeps. This is hella dangerous. Pass the juice jug, cause Olivia gone get the tongue for buy for make she gonna buy the tongue for make juice. So guys, the oil, I forgot to turn up the stove, so the oil wasn't all that hot. But anyways, so you're gonna let that stay there and fry to a golden brown. Then you know when it's ready, when it's a golden brown. Okay. Guys, while the chicken is frying, because it has to be a golden brown, I'll be mixing the tongue. So this amount of water is okay. Because I prefer use the tongue. I mean, I love Kool-Aid, don't get me wrong, I love Kool-Aid bad, but sometimes the tongue just work out better. So for example, say you don't have no sugar, or you don't have enough money to buy Kool-Aid plus sugar, something plus sugar to make juice. With the tongue now, it comes sweetened with sugar, so you don't have to add sugar, you just pour it out. Sugar is like $100 a pound, and you have to go buy 1 mixed drinks for maybe like $70, that are 170. Wish I could have just buy a tongue, which is like $60, and just have a jug of drinks. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, I'm gonna put this juice in the fridge. Guys, the chicken is on the stove frying. So while it is there frying, because I want it to have a golden brown, her hair is a hella mess, so I'm just gonna put in few little bubbles. I mean, she's scared of her hair. She like nobody comb her hair. And because of that, me can take it nice more time, so I just catch up with. And I can't have a fight with she and I do right here. Because her hair and she don't want to feel nice. So your problem. How much time tell us do not put the ties them on the dresser? Eh? You have a box, a toy box outside here, so don't it? Trey? And you put who put the ties them on the dresser? No! And that who? And are you? A Brittany? Eh? Listen, next time we're gonna put it in a box, right? The toys box out there, so do not put them on the dresser, okay, baby? You hear me say? This is come I can have a part here, good yo. So. I don't know if I go for Auntie Eula and then put our hot iron in her ear, so just put moisture in the ear. The ear just come like it just I'm gonna drop off. I understand them people there.
Go Go! Shit, come on, say what?
Let's make him play again.
Come on, go and film me. They will lose straight or come on, say water. Come on, say water now,
No, for free. I can't know if you play or something. Come. No, say around here, I put the bubble sponge. Alright, thanks. Alright, everybody does it different. For me, after I fry the chicken, I go ahead and like you know, stir fry the seasons a bit. That's how I do it. Okay. Some people do it differently. So this is the oil that I just take the chicken. Take out one. So I stir fry the season a bit. The same oil that I use to fry the chicken, I am also using to stir fry the season. So this is how I do it. So stir fry that a bit. Yeah.
Onion, fry onion.
Stirring.
This way, no. This way, listen to that, guys. It's very good. I see me and
So no. Okay, so for me, after I stir fry the season, I throw in the ackee. That's how I do it. I mean, this is a hell of a lot of ackee. You can always eat and left. And then we stir it up just a little. To combine the flavor of the season with the ackee. Because the meat is already seasoned and flavored and fried, so it already has in all the flavor. So I am now combining the flavor of the season, the stir fry season, with the ackee. And then now what I do, I let that simmer just a little bit so the ackee can absorb all the nice season taste and everything. So yeah. So guys, okay, this simmer a bit. Tasty. I wish you guys could smell this aroma. So I'm going to add in the chicken now. I mean, more ackee than chicken, but yeah, my daughter don't really like ackee, nor my son. So I'm gonna have most of the ackee and them now. Maybe I forgot pick off the ackee off of the chicken and give them. What do you tray? So you don't have a tablet? So guys, we'll move the stuff from right here, guys. We're gonna do a flicking competition. So you first, Brittany. She flick out I got people nearly pop up by herself. Alright, come Brittany, ready. So you lean, sorry, come down. Alright, flick now. Do your flick. Olivia, excuse, do your flick now. Hurry up. Alright, good. Alright, your time, Olivia. Flick, Olivia. Alright, try again. If I can't flick, alright, roll over. Just roll over. Go ahead. Roll over. Roll. Go ahead. Roll or something. Just roll over. Yeah. When you can do something, yes. Alright. What? So my time now. Don't worry about me. Me have a flick. You slim and trim and yet you can't flick. On the fatty boom boom, I will flick down. Alright. Alright. Ready or no? Hold on, I'm not ready. One more. I'm not ready. Wait. You got to look like it too little for me. One more, wait. Olivia, move. Let us see Vanja. That look alright? No. Alright.
Yes, good.
Thanks, the place. Give me this. Give me the camera here. Well, don't play with this. This is the camera I used to use first. You just slide it down like this, but It's okay, it's working on everything. It's just that I haven't used it in a while. You know, the battery dead as you see, cause normally when you carry it down, it come on. Anyway, battery. Don't play with this little girl.
Mommy apple.
Alright, you're straight, thanks. Alright, ready? Oh God, you have fingers on my eye. Alright, do over.
Lose, mommy, win.
Alright. Check come on anyway. Tell the ball light up. Come down, camera can't see you. Alright, no. Right, Jesus. Right, this one. Trace is ready. Really, pretending you just start. Come again. I don't hear you.
Mommy.
Stay right there, so. Alright, ready?
Can you try to catch the ball?
Try. Alright, come again. I try not the way I try to distract me.
Mommy, you're throwing.
Me not show. Me not show ya man. Me can't bother. Alright. So where my ball for now? You want to try? Alright, come. Come here, try three. Come. Why? Mama! Excuse. You want to try, Olivia?
Yes.
Why? We stomach plate a while ago. Mama!
I want to try it. Mommy. Yeah. I can remember by far. They can counter and it no have no owner. So make it and they right.
Drop your clothes.
Until the owner come. Ada kum dash. Ada kum dash. Ada transplant some of them pepper sucker, but me say ants. Me come in at the backyard and ants a kill me to rot it. Me can't even stand up properly. So anyways, I dig up some of them. I have to transplant the sucker them. Yeah. Be ants yo. I don't even know what to stand up. So this is pepper seedling. So I'm gonna transplant them. Some of them right here. Ants kill. Just make sure nobody no walk on them. You don't know you have to go walk on them? And this one, you don't answer kill you. Alright, so I'm going to take out like 2 more or so. Let's go. I can't go take the ants them out here, so. Bye guys, thank you for spending the day with us. Guys, okay, so I'm finished cooking and everything, you know, children gonna be eating now. Yep, yeah. So the kids gonna take you guys out. Bye guys.